What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be decluttering some of my fragrances as well as body mist. So these are some fragrances that I have in that I've tried. For whatever reason, I just don't care for them. Most of them are not used. They've been sprayed once just for me to see if I like it or to show you guys. And you know, once I sprayed it, I just really didn't care for it. So I haven't used it since. So yeah, I wanted to go ahead and declutter them, get them out of my stash. The body mist I haven't used at all. Again, I've sprayed in the cap just to smell it. Didn't care for it, put the cap back on it or whatever, and that's it. So these are not products that are like half used or 3/4 used or anything like that. They're for the most part pretty full, and I want to get rid of them. I am going to be putting these on my Mercari to sell them. So if you're interested, then you know you'll have to go over to Mercari to be able to purchase. And I'm doing this video to let y'all know first, okay, before the public knows, if you know what I'm saying. So I do want to let you know that I am sharing it with my membership first. So if you're a part of the membership, you'll get first dibs on these products if you're interested. And then after the members have seen the products, then you guys will be able to get them next. So I'm doing this video to let you know what's going to be on Mercari. So if you even think that you want anything, you need to get over there and you need to get it before, like I said, the public, people who don't know who I am, who happen to just be on Mercari looking for something, may happen to see it and they purchase it. That's what I'm saying. So, okay, let's go ahead and get started. So the first fragrance, and some of them are little, but hey, that's okay. I still want to get them out of my stash. So the first product that I am getting rid of is the Replica Lazy Sunday Morning. It looks like this. So like I said, it's still pretty full. And I got this with a hand cream. It actually was a set. I have, where is the hand cream? Made me think of it. It's like, why is it so little? I forgot I had a hand cream with it. So it was a little set for me just to try it out. So here's the hand cream. I'm going to go ahead and sell these two together. And I don't know what prices I'm going to put on these yet. The prices will be on Mercari, but I'm not going to try to get an arm and a leg off of them because why? You know, they'll definitely be less than what I purchased them for. But yeah, so as you can see, they are still filled to the top. I didn't care for it. I just felt like it was too, you know how you have that clean smell, that bounce or dryer sheet smell, or it was too much of that. Sometimes I like clean, but I want it to be more fresh, not necessarily laundry sheet smelling. So to me, that's how this smells. So I'm going to get rid of those. The next fragrance I'm going to get rid of is the Lovely by Sarah Jessica Parker. I was listening to another perfume channel. I forget her name. I don't watch her a lot, but I happened to see her and she was talking about this and how it smells so good. I mean, she talked it up. She was like, oh, it's so beautiful, and it's this and it's that. Oh my God, it's the most beautiful smell you'll ever want to smell. Make sure you get this one because there's a lot of flankers to this. Don't get those, get this one. I got it, and yeah, it's not up my alley. It's too florally, and I mean, it does have a clean real life. Oh my goodness. Oh, the stuff we go through. I mean, it does have a little bit of a clean smell to it, but it smells a little bit more mature, for lack of a better term, and flowery. And so yeah, getting rid of that. Like I said, it will be perfect for certain people, because it does have a little bit of the floral. It does have a little bit of a clean scent to it. and I could see it being a signature scent for somebody, just not for me. So I'm going to get rid of that. Another scent that I'm going to get rid of is the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. This is the intense version that looks like this. Guys, I like Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, but I like the regular. I don't like the intense. The intense is a little too intense. It kind of smells like, just smelling out of here, kind of just smells musty to me for some reason. So I don't care for it. As you can see, it's still pretty much filled to the top. Like I said, I've squirted it a few times just trying to see if I like it, and I don't care for it. So this is another one that is going to be sold on Mercari. So if you like light blue intense. Another scent that I'm getting rid of is the Dolce & Gabbana The One. It looks like this. So again, I have tried to use this. I've sprayed it a couple times just to see, you know, how I liked it, and I just don't care for it. So it is still, I'll turn upstairs down. It's still pretty full. You can tell that I have not used it a lot, but it, now it don't smell too bad. It's not horrible. It's not something that I gravitate to. So I just want to go ahead and get it out of my stash. So yeah, because right now it's just sitting. Another scent I want to get rid of is the Way North Bondi. And I talked about this before, guys, that said that I didn't care for it. It is a spray. It's not a roll-on. I got this, I don't know if it was with Point. I mean, I've had it for so long. I can't remember, but I know that I got it from Sephora with like points or something like that, and wanted to try a Way scent, and got it, and it's not my favorite, so I'm going to get rid of that. So if you guys like North Bondi, there you go, travel spray. Another one I'm going to get rid of is the K. Ali Vanilla 28 that everybody talks about now. This one is probably the most tried. So yeah, I have tried it. When I first got it, I sprayed it on the thing and gave it to y'all, and I was like, ugh. And then another time I sprayed it. I tried to layer it with something else, because someone said if you layer this with another vanilla scent that's a little bit more deep and you want a little bit more sweetness, use this. I did that. I still didn't care for it, and I think I tried it one other time. So it is a little bit less in here, but it's still a pretty full bottle. It's a lot. It's dark, so it's supposed to be really sweet. I just don't like it. Something about that burnt incense smell that's in this that I don't care for. But yeah, some people love this. If you love this and you want this, you better be taking notes of the things that you want in this video, because like I said, I'm gonna open it up to my members first for a short period of time, and then it'll go live to you guys. So I want y'all to get it before other people get it. Another thing that I'm going to put on my Mercari is the Signorina by Salvatore Ferragamo. It looks like this. I've had this for a long time too. Someone was saying that they really enjoy this and that they get so many compliments on it and everything. Now this was a while ago too, so I picked this up, and again, it's not up my alley. It's not up my alley. It's a little bit mature, a little strong to me. I don't know. It's not up my alley. So again, I've sprayed it just a few times, just trying to give it a chance, and it ain't working. So it needs to go. Last but not least, in the fragrances, before we get to the body mist, is the Miel Bebe. This was one of the scents that I picked up in a set, and one video I said I wanted to try to use this up. I think it was one of my spring and summer videos. And this isn't bad. It's not that I don't like it. I just don't love it, and I don't reach for it. It's not something that is like, oh, I really want to wear this. It's not like that, but it's definitely not one of these where I'm kind of like, oh yeah, I can't take the smell. This is actually a nice it's actually a nice smell, and it probably would layer well with some things. I just don't know what, and so I don't want it. It's just sitting around. So yeah, this is another one that is full. As you can see, well, you can't see because, well, you can see that it's full from the side. So you can see that it's full, and I'm going to get rid of that, okay? So let's get into the body mist real quick, and then we'll end this video. So the body mist that I picked up from Bath & Body Works a while ago was the Tropidelic, and it looks like this. Someone was talking it up too. A lot of times when you see the body mist videos and sales, Bath & Body Works sales and hauls and stuff, and I can't remember who it was, but somebody was talking this up and was like, oh my gosh, hey, this is one of my favorites and everything. So I was like, let me try it. And again, like I say, when I do like this, it doesn't really smell bad. It's just not me, and it's not something that I gravitate to. So I don't want it to sit here and not get used. I'd rather sell it and let someone else get some use out of it. So that is one that will be on my Macari. Also, I'm getting rid of the Brightest Bloom. It looks like this. This is another one that has been talked up a little bit more, a little bit too floral for me. It's not bad, it's just a little bit too floral for me. And you can see just from the flowers on the thing that it's a little bit floral. I probably should read the notes to you guys. The notes is Lily of the Valley, Jasmine Sandbach, Garden Carnations, and Fresh Cedarwood. So it probably is going to dry down kind of nice and woody, but it's not up my alley. So if those sound like notes that you like, then this would be on there. The Tropidelic notes are Irresistible Passion Flower, Ylang Ylang, and Misty Rainforest. So like I said, this isn't bad. It kind of does smell like a rainforest, but it's not something that I'm gravitating to. And then last but not least is the On the Horizon, and all of these are new and not used. And the notes on this, need to put on my glasses because it's black writing on this dark blue. The notes on this is Water Bergamot, Blue Lotus, and Driftwood Moss. And I think it's the moss that's coming through that I don't care for, the driftwood moss. So I don't, you know, care for that too much. So I'm going to get rid of those. So those are the fragrances and the body mist right now that I'm getting rid of. Like I said, I got a big collection. I might do more videos like this. I do plan on doing a declutter with some hair products as well as some body products. So stay on the lookout for those videos to be coming up after this. But for right now, I wanted to start with these fragrances to get them out of my way, especially since I just purchased the Soft Spot, which you saw, and a couple other fragrances, not like today, but recent, within 2024. So I want to get rid of some stuff as stuff is coming in, if you see what I'm saying. So anyway, guys, that is it for this video. Now, I will say at the time of this, you seeing this video, these products are already out there. So members, if you're watching, you need to go over there now, get what you want, because I'm going to be opening it up to everybody in an hour. So you got 1 hour before everybody else gets to take their chance. Those of you who are not members, again, get on over there, because at the time that you're watching this, the stuff has already been out there an hour for the members to get to it. And yeah, I don't know if anything is left or not, but hopefully it is. If for some reason you don't get what you want from this video, again, I'll try to do more of these, you know, in the future sometime. And then I'm also going to try to do it with hair products and body products. So there you go. Right now I'm doing this one members first. I don't know that I'll do that with the hair and body products. We'll see. So don't think, well, every time, you know, the members are always going to get it first. You know, that may not be the case. I just happen to be doing it for this one. So yeah, there you go. Anyway, guys, that's it I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, leave it in the comment section below and let me know. And if there's something else you want to see me declutter, let me know that as well. Give me some ideas. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go so y'all can get over to McCordsville. The link is in the description box, so make sure you go down there and click that link so you can get right over to my site. And I will see you in my next video. Happy shopping.